Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about how Apple explained how they calculate prices. So Apple's pricing strategy involves various factors including production cost, research and development expenses, marketing cost, competitor pricing, and desired profit margins. While Apple has not publicly disclosed detailed information on their pricing calculations, they typically follow a premium pricing strategy, positioning their products as high quality, innovating, and worth the higher price tag. Apple prices its products based on the pre-saved value they offer to customers rather than solely on production cost. They aim to create a perception of premium quality design and performance, which justifies the higher price compared to competitors. Apple considers the cost involved in designing, manufacturing, and marketing its product as well as the desired profit margins. They balance these factors to set prices that generate sufficient revenue while remaining competitive in the market. Apple's brand image plays a significant role in its pricing strategy. The company positions itself as a leader in innovation, design, and user experience, which allows them to command higher prices for their products. Apple differentiates its product through unique features, design elements, and ecosystem integration. This differentiation allows them to maintain pricing power and minimize direct competition slowly based on price. Apple targets the premium segment of the market, focusing on customers willing to pay a premium for high-quality products and services. Apple often adopts a skimming strategy, initially pricing new products at a premium to capture early adopter and maximize profits before gradually reducing price over time as production costs decrease and competition intensifies. Overall, Apple's pricing strategy is a combination of factors aimed at maximizing profitability while maintaining the company's brand image and market positioning as a premium technology brand. So if you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel for more information. Thank you.